guys, here is Atif Mosaddiq and welcome to very first tutorial of Android development. I'm actually planning to make the whole series of tutorials for the Android development and yeah, before starting we should look on the overall system architecture. Um, Here is the 20,000 feet view of Android. Android is based on Linux. Linux provide the hardware abstraction layer for Android. Android uses Linux for its memory management, process management, networking, and other operating system services. Being a developer, you should know that it's there. The Android user cannot see Linux and your program will not make calls directly. At the top of Linux there are libraries which we will use to build our programs. Most important libraries are Surface Manager, OpenGL for 2D and 3D graphics, Media Framework, and SQLite, the built-in database inside Android. And beside that, there is an Android runtime environment. Um, in Android runtime environment, there are core libraries and Delvec virtual machine. The code you will write in Java, but it will be written in Java, but it will run with this virtual machine. At the top of this layer, there is a application framework. The framework is pre-installed with Android, but you can extend it with your own component and as you need. The important part of framework are Activity Manager, Windows Manager, Content Provider, View System, Location Manager, and so on. The program you will write will be on the top of application framework, something like here, like home, contents, phone, browser, and I think your program will come here. There is a space for you. Yeah, this was the 20,000 feet view of the Android, which was necessary to know about before diving in. And I hope you got a basic idea of the whole architecture of the system. And I will bind up it by having a small review what I talked about it. Android is based on Linux, and it's the very bottom layer of this architecture. And at the top there are libraries which we will use according to our needs. And then comes the Android runtime, which include Delvec virtual machine, core libraries, and at the top there's application framework, Activity Manager, Windows Manager, and so on. And at the top there will be your applications which we will write in our upcoming tutorials. I hope you got a basic idea and you enjoyed this tutorial. Please follow my upcoming tutorials and please do not forget to give me a feedback. Thank you.